Good morning, guys. Another day, another blessing. Today we have kind of a little somewhat busy schedule. Right now we're gonna be on the way to the gym, get a quick leg workout in. Then we're gonna go ahead and go to the grocery store, get some groceries because I did run out of, some protein and, basically just need to get groceries, whatever. But after that, later tonight, we're gonna end the day off with some volleyball with friends. So that should be fun. Haven't played volleyball in a while. Been looking forward to playing volleyball ever since editing all of those clips and whatnot. I've just been fiending for it. I need it. I need it. But I'm still debating on if I want to mic up or not, if I want to bring the mics. But it should be fun nonetheless. Okay, I think we're pretty much wrapped up with our groceries. It's pretty much what we got. We got some bananas, tortillas, kiwis, some jalapeno or green pepper sauce, chicken fingers, burger, patties, wine bread, and then some eggs. Don't want to do too much because next thing you know, it's just gonna sit in the fridge and it's gonna go bad. So, yeah, go ahead and check out. Made it home, groceries put away. We got the hamburger on the stove. That's gonna be dinner for later tonight. But for lunch or post-workout meal would just be my meatballs. My meatballs with some barbecue sauce. That's where we're at. After we eat, gonna take a shower. And then probably finish doing some laundry. And then just chill until we have to leave. Alright. We just showered. Finally. After being out all friggin' day. After the gym. Just felt a little icky, This might be your reminder to take a shower too. You might stink. And even if you don't, if you went to the gym and, you went on all of those machines, and you just went home, and you just laid in bed or laid on the couch, go take a shower. Go take a shower. Just pause the video, or just play it. Just listen. Just listen to whatever else is in the rest of this video until you're done in the shower. We're gonna go ahead and do some laundry. We do have a lot of time until the rent, but yeah, probably just gonna do some chores, some laundry, maybe play some Madden or 2K. I don't know, something to kill the time. Alright, we are halfway done with our laundry and just gonna do whatever to kill some time. But I am reading this book called Be Water, My Friend by Shannon Lee, which is, I believe, Bruce Lee's daughter. And it's just basically going through like the teachings of Bruce Lee. But after I read like maybe like a chapter or like whatever, however long it keeps me in the book, probably going to maybe play a little bit of video games or do whatever to kill some time. Just wrapped up chapter 5 of Be Water, My Friend. Basically went through the different types of strategies and tools that Bruce Lee went through, and also kind of explaining some of the methods that Shannon also used in order to achieve their goals, and keep them on track on their goals, right? Whether it's journaling, whether it's having little note cards with affirmations on it. It's little things like that that kept them motivated within achieving their goals or staying in their goals or their dreams. And it's just something that they are relaying the message to us to kind of use as a reference to maybe come up with our own strategies or come up with different types of things to help us stay engaged with the ultimate goal that we want to have. Whether it's having a business or having a successful business, being good at a sport, buying a house for your parents, things like that, being able to write down those little goals and then writing down why you want that stuff to happen is something that you can like look back on, and you know, when times get rough, keeps you engaged, keeps you motivated to keep working towards that end goal. Another thing that they bring up in the chapter is to love the process, because just like goals, life is a process. There's no end to it. It's just means to a process. Continue to work for your goals, continue to work for your dreams, and be present in every moment. But that's what I learned from this chapter. The next chapter is called, I believe it's The Obstacle. So really excited for that. I'm probably gonna eat a snack. I think I've been reading for like like an hour or so. Okay, we got our lunch, and kind of our snack as well. Got Drizzlicious. And then we got Hawaiian bread with some sausage. And then I'm gonna eat this kiwi. And I don't know if I'm the only one, but I kinda eat it like an apple. But yeah, it's like the little like yellow or golden kiwi. But yes, if anyone else eats kiwis like this, please let me know. So it'll make me feel a little bit better about that I might be eating it a little differently from other people. But I don't care, whatever. But yeah, if you eat a kiwi like an apple, you're not alone. I do it too. Gosh, jeez. As you can see, we're finally in the car because we're about to go play volleyball. Alright, let me drive there. The weather is pretty gloomy outside though. Pretty dark and gray. But yeah. Alright, we just made it to its all, I do need to take a fat piss. So Angelo might vlog instead while I go pee. And then we're probably gonna get started stretching and then get into playing. So let's go.
Hey guys. So my brother's gonna go piss. And then I'm gonna just be there. Yeah. Alright.
Game one, let's see how this goes. Brandon is not here yet, so Angelo's gonna be replacing him on my team. So, wish us luck.
Nice.
Look, and put another bullet to my heart again once we
Terrible last game, or terrible first game. It is what it is. Next game. Next game, bro. Next game. All right, second game. Hopefully, we won't have a repeat of the first game. Fuck. All right. Help! Help!
Madness. What do you want from me? What do you want?
A few moments later.
I don't know how we won that game, but apparently we won. But yeah, it felt like we lost a lot of points, but hey, we came out with the win. And yeah, Angelo should be in next game for Brandon. And yeah, quick water break. Doing his shit right now. Come on. Hey, come on. Took an L, pretty upsetting, but it is what it is. On to the next game. I think we have like less than 30 minutes left. Hey, Angelo did his shit though. I'm proud of him. All right, next game we got Angelo starting, and then I'll rotate in whenever it's time for him to serve. But yeah, team switched again. I think on our team it's me and Angelo together, Ted, Curtis, Leland, and then B. So let's see how this goes. Not bad, guys. I don't know who won that last game, but it was fun. Time to go home, eat that meal prep, recover, and then just relax before I have to go to bed. Gotta wake up early in the morning tomorrow. But big thank you to Calbit for renting. Big thank you to everyone else that showed up. See you guys later. We're finally home, in bed, getting ready to go to sleep. Overall, I thought today was a pretty productive day. Besides like the little middle area. I mean, we still read a chapter in the book, and then we did laundry. So yeah, it was a pretty productive day. Volleyball was pretty fun. I don't think we won a lot of the games. I think it felt like we lost every game, but I still had fun. Hopefully we play more volleyball soon. All I know is tomorrow I'm just gonna stretch and take care of my body. Maybe might not do any lifting tomorrow. I think we're just gonna do some stretching, maybe do some cardio, just take it light, and then probably spend the day editing this video. So just wanted to thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely took a lot more b-roll shots than I usually do, so hopefully it comes out good and you guys enjoy it or like it as much as I might. So have a great night, have a great day, have a blessed one. Take care.